next problem, sir. Problem number 6. So Alpha Limited, that is the name of the company, has decided to analyze the profitability of its 5 new customers. So company name Alpha Limited, company has decided to analyze the profitability. So that is the profitability analysis of its 5 new customers. So freshly new customers are added, namely customer A, customer B, customer C, customer D, customer E. So profit analysis, it buys bottled water at 90 rupees per case and sells to retail customers at a list price of 108 per case. Sir, this is a trading company. So it is not a manufacturing company. So here selling and distribution orders are there. In previous problems, production orders are there, but in this problem selling and distribution orders are there. So it is a trading company. So previous manufacturing companies, sir. So manufacturing companies, here it is a trading company, buying and selling. So bottled water per case buying price or purchase price 90 rupees, sells to retail customers at a list price. List price means sticker price, that is the printed price, 108 per case. The data pertaining to 5 customers are as under. Number of cases sold to customer A 4,680, customer B 19,688, C 1,36,800, D 71,550, E 8,775. 8,775. So here major customer is customer C, sir. So huge quantity sold to customer C, sir, 1,36,800. Next biggest customer D, sir. So 71,550. So compared to C, 1,36,800 cases sold to C, sir, but D 71,550. 71,550 divided by 1,36,800 is equal to, into 100, sir, 52.3%. So 52.3% of C sales quantity, 52.3% of C sales quantity, 52.3% of C sales quantity, sir. Next big customer B, so 19,688. Next C, next E, sir, next A. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So small customers, so E and A, sir, below 10,000. So compared to C sales quantity, so just below 10%, sir. Here 8,775 divided by 1,36,800. 1,36,800 into 100. So just 6.41% of C. 6.41%. Next A. 4,680 divided by 1,36,800. 1,36,800 into 100. So 3.42%. 3.42%. So below 5% customers, sir. Below 10%, sir. Below 10% customers. So below 10%. So little customers, small customers. Okay, right. Next. Here list selling price is 108, sir. Right. Sir, actual selling price to Mr. A 108. So here number of cases sold to Mr. A, actual selling price 108, sir. B 106.2. Here discount is given. How much, sir? So list price or printed price or sticker price 108, sir, but selling price is, actual selling price is 106.2. 1.8 discount, sir, 1.8 discount per case. Next, seek discounts are per case 108 minus 99 actual selling price 9 rupees. Next, 108 actual selling price minus 104.4 is equal to 3.6. 3.6. Oh, sir, wonder, sir, huge discount is given. Suppose, so relative to this company, sir, he is a relative of this company. That's why he was given maximum discount, sir. 108 minus 97.2. So 10.8, sir, discount to heavy discount, sir. Per case discount 10.8. So, right, sir, here one thought, one idea is there, sir. I think one idea I will share, sir. Except E, sir, remaining customers, please observe, sir. Here sales quantity 1,36,800, 9 rupees per case discount, 71,550 per case discount 3.6, 19,688 per case discount 1.8, 4,680 per case discount nil, sir. So there is a positive relation, there is a direct relation between the number of cases sold into discount, number of cases sold and discount per case, except E, sir. So E అనేది exceptional case, sir. Mr. E అనేవాడు exceptional case. So he is the relative of this company. So that's why huge discount offered, sir. 10.8. Okay, right. Next, number of purchase orders were made. So here number of purchase orders. So for the delivery of these goods, number of purchase orders are made 15 orders. Right. Customer B purchase orders were made for the 19,688 cases, 25 orders. So C purchase orders, for C quantity purchase orders are made 30 orders. For D quantity purchase orders are made 25. For E quantity purchase orders are made 30. So general ga customer order pedte manam itu order పెడతాం. So for 4,680 quantity, number of orders to be made, number of purchase orders to be made 15 orders. B 25 orders are to be made. C quantity 30 orders are to be made. D quantity 25 orders to be made. E quantity 30 orders are to be made. Next, number of customer visits. Sir, A 2 times visit, sir. B 3 times visits, sir. C 6 times visits. So D 2 times visits. E 3 times visits. Next, number of deliveries. So 4,680 delivered in 10 deliveries. So B quantity delivered, number of deliveries 30 deliveries. For C quantity 60 deliveries. For D quantity 40 deliveries. For E quantity 20 deliveries. Next, kilometer traveled per delivery. Sir, here customer A premises from company 20 kilometers distance, B 6 kilometers distance, C just 5 kilometers distance, D 10 kilometers distance, E, oh shit, 30 kilometers distance, sir. So he is the relative of this company. Next, number of expedited deliveries, that is the fastest deliveries. Number of expedited deliveries means number of fastest deliveries. So here only for E fastest deliveries are made 1. A fastest deliveries nil. For customer B fastest deliveries 0. For C fastest deliveries 0. For D fastest deliveries 0. For E fastest deliveries 1. Right. Next, here cost driver rates are directly given in the problem. Happy. So here total overheads can be identified with 5 activities. So here total overheads can be identified with 5 activities, sir. Order taking activity, customer visits activity, deliveries activity, product handling activity, fastest deliveries activity. Here cost driver rate. First activity cost driver rate is 750 rupees per purchase order. Customer visits activity cost driver rate is 600 rupees per customer visit. So for one customer visit, overhead recovery amount is 600 sir. Overhead charge amount is 600. So deliveries activities 5.75 rupees per delivery kilometers traveled. Next, product handling activity 3.75 per case sold. Expedited deliveries 2250 per expedited deliveries. So these are the cost driver rates. Right, first bit sir. Compute the customer level operating income of each of 5 retail customers. So operating income, how to calculate the operating income sir? Sales less COGS, we get gross profit less operating expenses, we get operating income sir. So here first we have to calculate customer wise operating income sir. First we have to calculate customer wise operating expenses incurred. So how to calculate operating income? Sales less COGS, we get gross profit, less operating expenses, we get operating income. So here operating expenses are not readily available sir. So first we have to find out the operating expenses, customer wise operating expenses sir. That is working note. Sir, here cost driver rates already given. Sir. So first we have to calculate customer wise operating expenses, sir. Okay, right. First term. 1 minute sir. Here printed solution. No clarity sir. Okay. Customer wise operating activities cost sir. Statement of customer wise operating activities cost. 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 Working note. Right. So particulars. Next, customer A, B, C, D, E. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. Right. First activity sir. See the problem sir. Problem number 6. First, order taking activity. order taking activity, order taking activity. For a quantity, number of orders, number of orders, number of purchase orders, 15 orders, 15 purchase orders, 15 orders into 750 rupees per purchase order, 15 into 750, 15 into 750. So statement of customer wise operating activities cost. So gross profit minus operating activities cost, we get operating income. So first we have to calculate the customer wise operating activities cost. So order taking activity, so for customer A 15 purchase orders are made, so each order incurred 750 rupees. So each order charges 750 rupees at 15 into 750. 15 into 750 is equal to 11,250. 11,250. Next B, for B quantity purchase orders to be made 25 orders, 25 orders into 750, 750, 25 into 750, so 18,750. Next, for customer C quantity 30 orders are to be made, 30 purchase orders are to be made, 30 orders into 750, 30 into 750, 30 into 750, so 22,500, 22,500. Next 25 into 750, 25 into 750, 18,750, 18,750, 18,750. Next 30 orders, 30 orders into 750, 30 orders into 750, 30 into 750, 22,500. So first activity completed, sir. Second activity, customer visits, customer visits, customer visits, customer visits. For A, customer A, number of times visits, sir, number of visits, 2 visits, 2 visits, 2 visits, 2 visits into per visit rate, sir, 600, 600 is equal to 200 into 2 visits into 600 is equal to 1200. B, customer B visits 3 visits, 3 into 600, 1800. Next 6 into 600, 3600, 3600. Next 2 into 600, 2 into 600, 1200, 1200. Next 3 into 600, 3 into 600, 1800, 1800. So this is the customer visits activity. Next, third activity, deliveries, deliveries, sir, deliveries activity, deliveries activity. 5.75 per delivery kilometer traveled, right? Sir, here delivery kilometers traveled, how to get the delivery kilometers traveled. Per delivery traveled 20 kilometers for customer A. Number of deliveries 10. So number of deliveries 10 deliveries, per delivery kilometers traveled 20. So we get 200 kilometers traveled. Am I right? So delivery kilometers traveled 200 sir, 10 into 20. 10 into 20, 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers, 10 into 20, 200 kilometers traveled. 200 delivery kilometers traveled. Delivery kilometers traveled 200. So 200 into rate 5.75. 5.75. 5.75. 200 into 5.75. 1150. 1150. Next sir, B 30 deliveries, distance traveled 6 kilometers. So delivery kilometers traveled 30 into 6. 30 into 6 180. 180 into 5.75. 180 into 5.75. So 1035. 1035. 1035. Next 60 deliveries. 60 deliveries. 60 deliveries sir. 60 deliveries into 5. 60 deliveries into 5 sir. 300. 300. 60 into 5 sir, 300 into 5.75. 5.75. 300 into 5.75 is equal 1725. 1725. Next, 40 deliveries, kilometers traveled per delivery 10 sir. So delivery kilometers traveled 400. Delivery kilometers traveled 400 sir. 400. 40 into 10, 400 into 5.75. 5.75. 400 into 5.75 is equal 2300. 2300. Next 20 into 30. 20 into 30 is equal 600. 600 into 5.75. 600 into 5.75 is equal to 3450. 3450. Right, sir. 3 activities completed, sir. Next, product handling. Product handling, sir. Next activity. Product handling. Product handling. Product handling, sir. 3.75 rupees per case sold. Here, for customer A, number of cases sold 4,680 cases. 4,680 cases into 3.75 per case sold. 3.75. 4680 into 3.75. 17,550. 17,550. Next, sir. Number of cases sold 19,688. 19,688 into 3.75. So 19,688 into 3.75 is equal to 73,830. Next, number of cases sold 1,36,800 sir. 1,36,800 into 3.75. So please multiply sir. 1,36,800 into 3.75 sir. So 5,13,000. 5,13,000. Next number of cases sold 71,550. 71,550. 71,550 into 3.75. 3.75. 71,550 into 3.75 is equal to 2,68,313. 68,312.5, 313 approximately. 313. Please check 71,550 into 3.75 is equal to 2,68,313. Next sir. Next one. Next sales quantity 8,775. 8,775 into 3.75. 8,775. 8,775 into 3.75. 3.75 is equal to 32,906. 32,906. 32,906 sir. So activity complete sir. Next activity. Expedited deliveries, that is the fastest deliveries. Expedited deliveries, that is the fastest deliveries. Expedited deliveries. Expedited deliveries, that is the fastest deliveries. Expedited deliveries, that is the fastest deliveries. Right. Expedited deliveries sir. Here no fastest deliveries in case of customer A. In case of customer B, no fastest deliveries. In case of customer C, no fastest deliveries. D, no. Right. E sir, 1. So 1 into 2,250. 1 into 2250. 2250. Okay, right. Sir, totals sir. So operating activities cost. Operating activities cost sir. Operating activities cost. Operating activities cost. Operating activities cost. Add them sir. Add them one by one. So first A, customer A, 11,250 plus 1,200 plus 1,150 plus 17,550 plus 0, 31,150. 31,150. Next B, 18,750 plus 1,800 plus 1,035 plus 73,830 is equal to 95,415. 95,415. Next 22,500 plus 3,600 plus 1,725 plus 5,13,000. 5,13,000. 13,000. 5,13,000 is equal to 5,13,000 is equal to 5,40,825. 40,825. 5,40,825. Next, 18,750 plus 1,200 plus 2,300 plus 2,300 plus next 2,68,313 is equal to 2,90,563. 2,90,563. Next one, 22,500 plus 1,800 plus 3,450 plus 32,906 plus 2,250. 62,906, sir. So, working note completed, sir. Now, calculate the operating income. So, operating income of each of 5 retail customers. How to calculate the operating income? Sales less COGS, we get gross profit less operating activities cost. We get operating income. Operating income, sir. So, calculation of customer level operating income. Customer level operating income, sir. Calculation of first bit 1. Calculation of customer level calculation of customer level operating income. Customer level operating income. Calculation of customer level operating income of each of 5 retail customers. Of each of 5 retail customers. Retail customers. So, calculation of customer level operating income of each of 5 retail customers. Of retail customers. Right. Sir, first here customers particulars customers A, B, C, D, E. So, sales as per list price. Sales as per list price. As per list price. Sales as per list price, sir. Sales as per list price 4,680 into list price, list selling price 108. 108 is equal to 5,05,440. 5,05,440. Next, sales as per list price 19,688 into 108. So, 21 lakhs 26,304. 304. 304. Next number of cases 1,36,800. 1,36,800 into 108 into 108. 147 lakhs. 147 lakhs 74,400. 400. Next 71,550. 71,550 into 108. 77 lakhs 27,400. Next 8,775 into 108. 94 lakhs 9,47,700. Less discount. Sir. Here discount nil, sir. Here discount per case is 1.8. So 19,688. 19,688. 19,688 into 1.8. 1.8. So discount 35,000. 438. 438 discount. Next, here discount per case 9 rupees, sir. 9 into 1,36,800. So 12 lakhs 31,200. 12 lakhs 31,200. Next, here discount is 3.6. 3.6 into 71,550. 71,550 into 3.6. So 2 lakhs 57. 2 lakhs 57,580. 580. Next, here discount 10.8, sir. 10.8 into 8,775. So 94,770. 94,770. Okay, right. Okay, so sales as per actual price. Sales at actual selling price. Sales at actual selling price. Selling price. Okay, right. So here 5,05,440. Next, 21,26,304 minus 35,438 is equal to 20,90,866. 866. Next, 147,74,400 minus 12,31,200. 12,31,200 is equal to 135,43,200. Next, 77,27,400 minus 2,57,580. 2,57,580 is equal to 74,69,820. 74,69,820. Next, 9,47,700 minus 94,770 is equal to 85 lakhs sir 8,52,930. Okay, right. Now deduct the COGS. COGS less COGS. COGS. Right, sir. Here cost price 90 rupees per case, sir. So number of cases purchased, sir, 4,680. 4,680. So number of cases purchased 4,680 into 90 is equal to, so 4,21,200. Next 19,688 into 90 is equal to 17,71,920. 17,71,920. Next 1,36,800 into 90. So 123 lakhs 12,000. 123 lakhs 12,000. Next 71,550. 71,550 into 90 rupees cost. 90 rupees is equal to 64 lakhs 39,500. Next 8,775 into 8,775 into 90 rupees. So 7 lakhs 89,750. So we get, sir, please deduct, we get gross margin. So for customer A, gross margin, sir, 5,05,440 minus 4,21,200. 4,21,200 is equal to 84,240. Next 20,90,866 minus 17,71,920 is equal to 3,18,946. Next 135 lakhs 43,200. 135 lakhs 43,200 minus 123 lakhs 12,000. 123 lakhs 12,000 is equal to 1 minute, sir. 135 lakhs 43,200 minus 123 lakhs 12,000 is equal to 12 lakhs 31,200. Next 74 lakhs 69,820. 74 lakhs 69,820 minus 64 lakhs 39,500. 64 lakhs 39,500 is equal to 10 lakhs 30,320. 320. Next 8 lakhs 52,930 minus 7 lakhs 89,750 is equal to 63,180. So this is the gross margin. Right. Next term, please deduct the less operating activities cost. Less operating activities cost. operating activities cost. Customer wise operating activities cost already calculated, sir. Please see that 31,150, 31,150. Next, second customer 95,415, 95,415. Next, third one 5,40,825, 5,40,825, 5,40,825. Next, 2,90,563, 2,90,563, 2,90,563. Next, 62,906, 62,906, 62,906, 906. Okay. So, operating income. So, here calculate the operating income. So, operating income, sir. So, operating income. Here operating income. So, 84,240 minus 84,240 minus 31,150 is equal to 53,090. 53,090. Next, 3,18,946. 18,946 minus 95,415. 95,415 is equal to 2,23,531. Next, 12,31,200. 12,31,200 minus 5,40,825 is equal to 6,90,375. Next, 10,30,320, 10,30,320 minus 2,90,563, 90,563, 7,39,757, 757. Next, 63,180, 63,180 minus 62,906, 62,906 is equal to 274, just 274 rupees, sir. So, from the above table clearly reveals which customer is more beneficial customer, sir. D. Sir, D, sir. Generally, maximum students C అన్నారు స్టార్టింగ్లో, ఎందుకంటే సార్ హియర్ 1,36,800 cases sold to Mr. C, sir. So, but D is the most profitable customer, sir. So, analysis table shows D is the most profitable customer. C is the 6,93,755. D 7,39,757. So, please observe, sir. Right. So, here first bit, compute a customer level operating income of each of the 5 retail customers. So, that should be completed, that will be completed, sir. So, that is completed. Comment on the results. So, comment on the results. Here about table reveals that customer D is most profitable customer. So, from the above table reveals, from the above table shows or reveals customer D is the most profitable customer. Customer D is most profitable customer. Profitable customer, sir. Most profitable customer. So, most profitable customer. Sir, here second bit. Sir, he only one line comment, sir, but mention cheyalante inka maatladochu, sir. So here C sales quantity 1,36,800, sir. C sales quantity 1 minute, sir. C sales quantity 1,36,800, but D sales quantity 71,550. So 52.3% of sales quantity of C. Okay, right. Kani D most profitable customer, sir. Reason, sir. Here operating activities cost. Please observe, sir. 5,40,825. 5,40,825, sir. So most of the resources are used for customer C, sir. So 5,40,825. Sir, please check, sir. Here sales amount is net sales 135,43,200, sir. So here operating expenses 5,40,825. So compare percentage. So 5,40,825 divided by 135,43,200 into 100. 3.99, exactly 4%, sir. 4%. So compared to D 2,90,563, 2,90,563 divided by 74,69,820 into 100. So just 3.89%, sir. 3.89%. So here that is the reason, sir. Okay, right. See the printed solution, sir. See the printed solution. 31,150, sir. 53,090, sir. Okay. 53,090. Okay. Next 2,23,531, 6,93,75, 7,13,757, 274. Correct. So customer D is the most profitable customer. Okay. Despite having only 52.30% of the unit volume of customer C. Okay, I already discussed it. The main reason, sir, the main reason here reveals C receives 9 rupees per case discount, sir, while customer D receives only 3.60 per case. So that is the valid point, sir. Valid point. So here customer C receives 9 rupees per case discount, while customer D receives only 3.60 discount per case, sir. So that is the main valid point, sir. Operating activities cost, this is the main valid point, sir. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం సార్, ఆపరేటింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కాస్ట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ సేల్స్ చూసాం. సో అది 4%, ఇది 3.89%. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. సో ఇది ఇంకా వ్యాలిడ్, సార్. ద మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఇస్ దట్ C receives 9 rupees per case discount, sir. 9 rupees per case discount. 9 rupees per case discount. While customer D receives 1 only 3.60, only 3.60 per case discount. So that is the valid point. So another reason రాయాలంటే there is a reason, next reason is C, incurred 4% of sales operating activities cost. D, incurs less than 4% operating activities cost, less than 4% of sales operating activities cost incurred. So that is the second reason. Okay, right. So from the above table reveals customer D is most profitable customer. The main reason is that C receives 9 rupees per case discount while customer D receives only 3.60 per case discount. Okay, right. Next bit, sir. Next bit.